M16 rifle and pistol recovered, that's what the police said. In a Kingston, Jamaica, 2 men got shot dead. St. James pastor in a lockup for rape charge. People say him for rotten in there and dead. But the breaking news is he got bail instead. Currently in Jamaica, some people can't even find bread. But the PM is saying if you don't think him of plans for immediate elections, take it out of your head. These stories for sure. I'll be right back to give you more. Please hit subscribe and share. After this quick break, me I come back and settle the score.
Big up great amazement, butch banding and dancing. Take the word and pass.
Welcome back to my channel, Great Amaziah. I am Amaziah the Great. 2 shot dead, 3rd injured in Lincoln Avenue shootings. So, the police are saying that an illegal M16 rifle and a pistol were recovered from a car in which the men were traveling. 2 men have been shot dead and a 3rd injured in 2 incidents on Lincoln Avenue in Kingston, Jamaica. It has been said that about 7:30 p.m. a man was shot dead by some bad man in a drive-by shooting. Them full him up a copper and lead, after which they fled. The man them never reached far. Police intercepted the car in which the shooters them did a try to make them escape and were reportedly attacked. Only if a gunshot start bake. During an exchange of gunfire, one of the gunmen was fatally shot. Another got injured. The injured man then at the hospital, and like me said before, the police them say an illegal M16 rifle and a pistol were recovered from out of the car, which the man them did travel in. Further on in the news, before we move on to this topic, let me ask this question. Why do men feel them have a need for rape? No is no. No don't even sound similar to yes. So why do they continue to force and commit this devilish act? It is wrong. Totally wrong. And very harsh punishment must be put in place. So our government must look on that. Especially when they abuse, rape our minors. Uno must face serious penalties. No joke no end of that. It is alleged that on May 28th of this year, the teenage complainant went to Pastor Rose's church to use the internet for an educational project when she was raped. Oh my gosh, just look on what's taken place with some of the people we look up to. What a shame and disgrace. What am I gonna say now? It's a lie? And I may say it anyway, I'm reading from the GLEANER. So there's a link will be provided in case you don't want to read the story on yourself. So I'm going to put the link in the description. I just hope proper investigations be carried out and may justice be served. Although that child probably be scared for her life and never trust another pastor again. Let me continue with the story. Jason Rose, the St. James-based pastor charged with rape and attempting to pervert the course of justice, has been offered bail. His wife, Kami Rose, and mother of the 15-year-old complainant, who are both charged with attempting to pervert the course of justice, have also been granted bail. The trio appeared in camera in the St. James Circuit Court October 15th. Mr. Rose was offered bail in the sum of 1.5 million Jamaican dollars, while the women were each offered bail in the sum of $500,000 Jamaican dollars. They are to return to court on December 8th, 2021, when the case is expected to continue. The conditions of their bail offer were not disclosed. During the first day of the bail hearing on Tuesday, the court issued an order restricting discussion on the case to protect the complainant, who is currently said to be in state care. Allegedly, it was said that on May 28th, the little teenage complainant went through the church gate to use the internet for an educational project but ended up got raped. She said it was no other than Pastor Rose who took off her clothes and wet her up with a water hose. Now, this is the disgusting part where things got even uglier. The pastor's wife and the victim's mom, mother of the teen, later reportedly tried to convince the child to change the statement she gave to the police at the Center for the Investigation of Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse. Ah boy, why would the little picnic mother team up with pastor's wife to change the statement? Are you dumb? Make me just leave that alone right there, so. Finally, in the news, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, is maintaining that there are no immediate plans to call an election. So straight up, I'm telling you, that's a rejection. Holness made the declaration while speaking on October 15 at the Richmond Health Center in St. Mary. He also criticized the People's National Party, PNP, whose General Secretary, Dr. Dayton Campbell, has argued that Holness is using his island-wide job medication tour as a cover-up to campaign for local government elections, which are due by February 27, 2022. And he quotes, "The PNP has no interest in the public good. They are only interested in politics. They don't want to face a defeat in local government elections. It's transparent what they are doing. They are saying, hey, don't call any election because we don't want to lose." Holness asserted that there is no benefit to announcing an election now, given that the ruling Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, is firmly in government and that the party also holds majority of the leadership of the municipal corporations. "That is the farthest thing from my mind. What more is there to prove?" said Holness. He charged that the PNP has proven to be a great disappointment, making reference to the PNP president Mark Golden indicating on Monday that he is not in support of the mandatory job medication. Golden said that with no avenue for recourse in the event persons have adverse reaction to the C19 jab, he could not support the move. Holness expressed surprise with his stance, noting that Golden recently shared his support for the jab, only to see recently some ambivalence, if not a retreat from the position of support. It is a sad day for Jamaica and Jamaican politics, and it is just vulgar opportunism, the Prime Minister said. Oh well, there you have it for Poetic News Jamaica. I am Amaziah the Great. Tell them precisely. Hope you enjoy and I hope you share. Drop some comments and let me know what you think about these stories. Tell them precisely. Great way is the gateway. Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziah the Great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise for going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziah the Great collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziah the Great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.